Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today, you'll learn Russian numbers from 1 to 100. Russian numbers seem complicated, but once you learn the patterns, everything becomes easy and logical. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers from 11 to 19 are very logical. All of them end in "nadsat", which is literally "на 10" or "to 10", like 11, 1 to 10, 1 на 10, 12, 2 to 10, 2 на 10, and etc. So, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that's it. Tens also have the sat or desat part, which is like 10, 20. It's like 2 times 10, 20, 30. 3 times 10, 30. But 40 is 40. It is derived from the name of a bag, which was used as a measure in trading, and later it became a number. That's why it is so special and it doesn't have that sat or desat part. So, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. This is also a special one. It means 9 до 100, which means 9 tenths before 100. So once again, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then you get 100, 100. To combine numbers like 21, 58, 64, just combine the tens and the units. 21, 34, 58, 92. We don't need e and between them. Let's practice. How do you say these numbers? Put a tick for any correct answer you've got and then write in the comments how many ticks you have. Двадцать шесть. 49. 71. 83. 135. Great job! Now you know Russian numbers from 1 to 100, and in our next video we'll learn how to count to 1000 and even 1 million using simple patterns. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.